पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षेयमामृतात् त्र्यम्बकैः यजामहे सुगन्धिं 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 पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् त्र्यम्बकैर्यजामहे 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 सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योन्मुक्षीयमामृतात् त्र्यम्बकैर्यजामहे 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 सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षेयमामृतात् 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 सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षेयमामृतात् त्र्यम्बकैः यजामहे 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 सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षेयमामृतात्
इन्द्राक्षीं द्विभुजां देवीं पीतवस्त्रधरां शुभां वामे हस्ते वज्रधरां दक्षिणे चाभयप्रदां सहस्रनेत्रां सूर्याभां नानालङ्कारभूषितां प्रसन्नवदनां नित्यम् अप्सरो गणसेवितां श्रीदुर्गां सौम्यवदनां पाशां कुशधरां परां त्रैलोक्यमोहिनीं देवीं भवानीं प्रणमाम्यहम् ॐ ह्रीं श्रीं इन्द्राक्षीं श्रीं प्रीं स्वाहा।
इन्द्राक्षीणां सा देवी देवतः समुदाहता गौरीशाकम्भरी देवी दुर्गानां नित्यविश्रुता कात्यायनी महादेवी चन्द्रघण्टमहातपा गायत्री साचा सावित्री ब्रह्मणी ब्रह्मवादिनी नारायणी भद्रकाली रुद्राणी कृष्णपिङ्गला अग्निज्वाला रुद्रमुखी कालरात्रि तपस्विनी मेघश्यामा सहस्राक्षी महोदरी मुक्तकेशी गुरुरूपा महाभगवती आनंदा भद्रजानंदा रोगहंत्री शिवप्रिया शिवदूती करालीच प्रत्यक्षा परमेश्वरी इंद्राणी चंद्ररूपाच शक्तिपरायणा महिषासुर संहरती चामुंडा गर्भदेवता वाराही नारसिंही च भीमभैरवनादिनी श्रुति स्मृति धृति मेधा विद्यालक्ष्मी सरस्वती आनंदा विजया पूर्णा मानसोकाय पराजिता भवानी पार्वती दुर्गा हेमवत्यंबिका शिवा शिवा भवानी रुद्राणी शंकरार्ध शरीरिणी इतनी पदैर्देव्यै स्तुताश्रेण धीमता आयु आरोग्यम् ऐश्वर्यं सुख संपत्ति कारकम् शैवस्मार्कुष्ठादितापज्वरनिवारणम् शैवस्मार्कुष्ठादितापज्वरनिवारणम् शैवस्मार्कुष्ठादितापज्वरनिवारणम्
Uma Asle Maheshwar Guru is a Shiv Leela written by Ali Mardan Khan, the governor of Kashmir in the 17th century. He composed this Leela after undergoing a life-changing experience on having the darshan of Shiva and Parvati in the hills of Kashmir. He describes this experience in this stuti, which is the first original work of its kind in Persian.
गमारे नी निसरध सच्चर परिपूर्ण शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं सच्चर परिपूर्ण शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं नित्यानन्द स्वरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं नित्यानन्द स्वरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् चर परिपूर्ण शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं
सच्चर परिपूर्ण शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं
सच्चर परिपूर्ण शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं
सच्चर परिपूर्ण शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं
नित्यानन्द स्वरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं
नित्यानन्द स्वरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं
नित्यानन्द स्वरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं
नित्यानन्द स्वरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं
आनन्दोऽहम् 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 आनन्दोऽहम्
निरञ्जनोऽसि संसारमाया परिवर्जितोऽसि संसारस्वप्नं त्यज्य मोहनिद्रां मदालसोल्लापनुवाच पुत्रम् शुद्धोऽसि रेतात्तनतेऽस्ति नाम कृतं हि ते कल्पनयाधुनैव पञ्चात्मकं देहमिदं न तेऽस्ति नैवास्य त्वं रोदिषि कस्य हेतुः न वा भवान् रोदिति विश्वजन्मा शब्दोऽयमायाद्यमहीशसूनुं विकल्प्यमाना विविधैर्गुणैस्ते गुणाश्च भवता सकलेन्द्रियेषु भूतानि भूतैः परिदुर्बलानि वृद्धिं समायान्ति यथेह पुंसः अन्नाम्बुपानादिभिरेव तस्मात् न तेऽसि वृद्धिर्न च तेऽस्ति हानिः त्वं कञ्चुकेशीर्यमाणे निजोऽस्मिन् तस्मिन् देहे मूढतां मा व्रजेथा शुभाशुभाय कर्मभिर्देहमेतन् मदादिभिः कञ्चुकस्तेऽपि नद्धा तातेति किञ्चित् तनयेति किञ्चित् अम्बेति किञ्चित् धैतेति किञ्चित् ममेति किञ्चित् न ममेति किञ्चित् सङ्घं बहुमालपेता दुःखानि दुःखोपशमाय भोगान् सुखाय जानाति विमूढचेता तान्येव दुःखानि पुनः सुखानि जानाति विद्वान् विमूढचेता यानं क्षितौ तत्र गतश्च देहो देहेऽपि चान्यः पुरुषो निविष्टः मम त्वमूर्व्यां न यथा तथास्मिन् देहेति मात्रं बत मूढतर्षा शुद्धोऽसि बुद्धोऽसि निरञ्जनोऽसि संसारमाया परिवर्जितोऽसि संसारस्वप्नं त्यज्य मोहनिद्रां मदालसोल्लापनुवाच पुत्रम् मदालसोल्लापनुवाच पुत्रम् मदालसोल्लापनुवाच पुत्रम् शुद्धोऽसि बुद्धोऽसि निरञ्जनोऽसि शुद्धोऽसि बुद्धोऽसि निरञ्जनोऽसि शुद्धोऽसि बुद्धोऽसि निरञ्जनोऽसि सा
चरण सरोज रज निज मनु मुकुरु सुधार बरनउँ रघुबर बिमल जसु जो दायक फल चारि। बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर। रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा। हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजय, कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजय। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजग बंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज समारे। लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि सम भाई। दास बदन तुम रोजस गावे, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित ऐसा। जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहांते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहांते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना, राम मिलाय राजपद दीना। तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। युग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानू। प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि, जलधि लांघि गयो अचरज नाहि। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। तब सुख लहै तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज समारो आपै, तीनों लोक हांकते कापै। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासै रोग हरै सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट के हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा है, प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुमरे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुमरे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुबर पुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त और देवता चित्त न धरई। हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई, संकट कटै मिटै सब पीरा। जो सुमिरै हनुमत बल बीरा, जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई। कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटहि बंद महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि तेरा, की जय नाथ हृदय महडेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। मेरे प्रभु राम जय जय राम, सियापति राम जय जय राम। मेरे प्रभु राम जय जय राम।
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हों अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम ना सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण। फूल खुशियों के बाटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन। अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। ओम जय जगदीश हरे,
स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे।
भक्त जनों के संकट
भक्त जनों के संकट
क्षण में दूर करे।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
जो ध्यावे फल पावे, दुख विन से मन का।
स्वामी दुख बिन से मन का,
सुख संपत्ति घर आवे,
सुख संपत्ति घर आवे।
कष्ट मिटे तन का।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
मात पिता तुम मेरे, शरण गहूँ किसकी।
स्वामी शरण गहूँ किसकी,
तुम बिन और न दूजा,
तुम बिन और न दूजा।
आस करूं
जगदीश हरे
दीन बंधु दुख हरता तुम ठाकुर मेरे
स्वामी तुम ठाकुर मेरे
अपने हाथ उठाओ
अपने हाथ उठाओ
द्वार पड़ा तेरे
ओम जय जगदीश हरे
विषय विकार मिटाओ पाप हरो देवा
स्वामी पाप हरो देवा
श्रद्धा भक्ति बढ़ाओ
श्रद्धा भक्ति बढ़ाओ
संतन की सेवा
ओम जय जगदीश हरे
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे भक्त जनों के संकट भक्त जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओम जय जगदीश हरे
Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti
We lost Daddy when I was about 3 year old, and I don't really have any memories of him. But since I remember, Baiji had been that grandfather to me, and he was one of the most affectionate and caring people that I've ever met. And undoubtedly, he was a person for whom his family mattered the most. I remember that whenever I would meet him, he would always be well dressed and would have his hair on point. And this one thing I really adored about him was how he was able to pull someone's leg or joke around so effortlessly. And he was almost every time able to lighten up the mood. He definitely was a man full of life and he will be missed a lot, but I'm sure he's in a better place now and I hope he continues showering his love and blessings on all.
Dadu was a rare but genuine soul. He was a strong man, always independent, but cared for everyone, putting everyone above himself. He loved helping and being there for everyone. I remember going to his house every Sunday for brunch, and he would make a separate keema just for me because I didn't like the aloo bukhara in the main dish, and he wanted me to enjoy it just like everyone else. I remember when I was young and I wanted to watch English shows. He called a maintenance guy and got him to install a completely new system in his TV just so I could watch them.
And undoubtedly, he was a person for whom his family mattered the most. I remember that whenever I would meet him, he would always be well dressed and would have his hair on point. And this one thing I really adored about him was how he was able to pull someone's leg or joke around so effortlessly, and he was almost every time able to lighten up the mood. He definitely was a man full of life and he will be missed a lot, but I'm sure he's in a better place now and I hope he continues showering his love and blessings on all.
Dadu was a rare but genuine soul. He was a strong man, always independent, but cared for everyone, putting everyone above himself. He loved helping and being there for everyone. I remember going to his house every Sunday for brunch, and he would make a separate keema just for me because I didn't like the aloo bukhara in the main dish, and he wanted me to enjoy it just like everyone else. I remember when I was young and I wanted to watch English shows. He called a maintenance guy and got him to install a completely new system in his TV just so I could watch those. And one of my favorite memories with him is when I was a few years ago, before he moved to Gurgaon, when he drove me around Mayur in his 20-year-old car, going to the market with him and him showing me where he lived before Parwana. And he told me stories about how he fled Kashmir and stories about how it used to be, as well as my parents before I was born. All of these stories simply go to show his bravery and strength and his caring nature, and these will forever be inspiring to me. I have been told many times that I was his favorite, many of his passions being in my name and him always asking for me. And just as much as I hope to have had an impact on his life, he had a major impact on my life. He always supported me, always had my back, and was my #1 fan, always being proud of me. I will carry his kind, hilarious, and caring legacy with me until we meet again. I love you and I miss you, Dadu, and I wish you eternal peace and happiness.
So, talking about Nanu was a gem of a personality, and the way he has carried the family uh, speaks about a lot about himself and the personality he inherited. The aura, the style, the humility is unparalleled and unmatched, and just want to say that there can be no one like him, and it's very tough for any one of us to emulate him. I too had fond memories with Nanu, as he being my grandfather, he and I cherished a special bond. I just remember the fact that whenever me and Anshu used to go to Mahir Vihar, and we on the weekends, He used to come and pick us up from Vasant Kojori. We go there with mom and dad. We used to play all day on the lush green grounds of Parwana, and he used to like sitting on the balcony while having evening tea with Nani would look down on us and see what we are doing. And moreover to that, the amount of affection and love Nanu has given us and given me, to be honest, over the years has always been special. The way he used to interact with me, he wanted to know all the nuances and every minute details of whatever is happening in my life, be it academically or be it on a personal front. It really spoke a lot about him. And as a grandchild, I would always say that I'm always blessed to have a grandfather like him, who always acted as a support system and has always shielded me from the thick and through of of life. And I just want to say this: wherever he he's at peace, and I just hope that I can carry forward his legacy and the valuable inputs and teachings he has given and provided me over the years, so as to become a better individual. And just want to fulfill some of his aspiration and dreams. And that's it.
Hi everyone. I'm gonna be talking about Nanu, and we all loved him. We all knew what he has done for everyone. But my favorite memory of Nanu is I was about 8 to 10 years old, and they used to live in Mayur Vihar, and we used to live in Punjabi Bagh, which was almost 2 hours of a distance. And Nanu used to have his Maruti 800, white color Maruti 800. And I just called him up and said कि नानू यहाँ पर ना जो मटन होता है it is not good. So मेरे को वो ठुक ठुक वाला मीट चाहिए जो आप खिलाते हो. This call was about in the morning around 12 o'clock. And by 5 in the evening or 6, he was at our home with 2 to 3 kgs of the same thing, of the mutton that I had asked for. This just shows how little of things he had done for me as a grandchild or my brother as a grandchild. We always knew that we are the pampered ones. We are the ones who've always mostly been close to our grandchildren. He loved all of us equally. And one thing that I learned from him and all my grandparents, of course we learn, but one thing that I specifically learned from him is the value of family, is the value of life, how to celebrate and live life at every given moment, how to be happy, how to be brave, how to be courageous. And I just miss him. I just wish I could meet him for one last time. But that's how life is. And I want to remember him as the man who I was always jealous of because of his style, because of his class, because of his hair. And I want to remember him in his positive memories. The man who filled the fridge with chocobars and pumped us up when I used to play down in the field of Mayur Vihar, or crack jokes when it was needed the most to encourage us, give us life lessons. And the last promise he made was that the moment you turn 21, we'll have a glass of whiskey together. And this was the year when we were waiting for, but unfortunately I think that promise is gonna be not fulfilled. But I will celebrate his life. We will celebrate his life in all the way we can. Pass on his legacy, and just miss him a lot. And lots of love to Nanu. I know he's showering his love from above. And that's it. Love you, Nanu. And always gonna be the grandchild you had asked for, and make you proud and keep on with the legacy. Thank you.
I have so many fond memories of Dadu, right from when I was a young child living at Mayur Vihar over the summer. Dadu was such a loving and caring individual. All he really wanted was the best for his grandchildren. I remember when he used to take me to the market to buy toys, and I still remember when he gifted me one of my favorite bicycles that I used to ride around all the time as a kid. And honestly, all he really cared about was how he could make us smile. You know, when the children were playing cricket downstairs and they wouldn't play with me because I didn't speak Hindi, he used to go out of his way to help me make friends with them. And he also really helped me learn the language as well, and I have him to thank for that. You know, whenever we would go to Mayur Vihar, I have such fond memories. Night or day, we would always go, and he would make a trip to the mother dairy just to make sure the freezer was loaded with choco bars because he knew how much we loved them. You know, even at the age of 20, he would still do that because that's just the kind of guy he was, you know. In my mind, his actions really showed that he was truly at his happiest when he was surrounded by his family. And when everyone was full of food and enjoying each other's company, that's when he was really at his best. Though he could be stern, he never really took himself too seriously, and he always had a joke around the corner. And at his core, he was a man who loved family more than anything else. And I really feel blessed that I got to spend so much time throughout my life feeling his love. I've been told by other people, and by many people, that I look a lot like a younger version of him. I like to think that a part of him lives on in me, as it does in all of us. I only hope that I can carry on his legacy of love, strength, and just caring about family every day for the rest of my life. I love you, Dadu. I miss you, and I wish you eternal peace and happiness. Until we meet again.
Okay, that was very emotional. So, anybody wants to say anything, or sing anything? आवाज आ रही है? Yes. Can you? Anybody wants to say anything? Go off mute. गाशा जी, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Did you accidentally pin?
Hmm? No, they're on. I guess not. Everybody's very emotional. So, चलिए just एक शांति ओम शांति एक वो 3 दफा ओम शांति बोलते हैं सब लोग मिलके। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Thank you, everyone. Keep him in your prayers. Want to say something?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Mama, can we speak as in like separately?
Yes.
Like, or you're still doing that?
Yeah. You can stay on. You can stay on the line. Karan, you can speak.
You're breaking up. Sorry, what's that?
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, Nikhil, go ahead.
Yeah, no, I just wanted to say a little bit,
Yes,
I just wish I could be there with you guys. He was a fantastic man. I think he loved everyone. He loved all of us. I know he had an outsized impact on my life and who I am as a person today. And it's still difficult for me too to think about it, honestly. But I think it gets easier every day, and I hope it does for all of you as well, because he is in a better place, I think, and he's looking down on all of us, smiling. And I do hope that we can all live our lives the way he would have wanted us to, and carry forward everything that he has taught us, because that's how we can truly keep him alive in our memories, and every day we can do justice to the man he was.
Amen. Well said, Nikhil. Karan, beta, I want to say something?
Mamu, I will speak to you separately.
Okay, okay, no worries.
I'll speak to you, Shamaji, Masi.
No, no worries.
But I do hope everyone is okay and things are better. So, yes.
Thank you. और किसी को कुछ कहना है?
Hi, Jojo.
Okay. Hey, Akshay.
Yeah, I'd just like to say, sorry. I'm just grateful that I got to see you all when I had my Genève. That was after a really long time. And yeah, you know, no matter how old he got, he was always that joyful person, and all those memories just came running back watching the videos and everything. And I'm just grateful to be a part of his family and having him in our family. It's just, it is a big loss, but yeah, like you all said, I'm sure he's showering his love and blessings from up there always. And I just love you all.
Thank you, Akshay. We love you too. We love you too. पता नहीं कुछ बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं. गाचा जी, एनीथिंग आप बताएंगे कुछ? आप म्यूट पे हैं. बहन जी, समय बन रखे.
हेलो.
हाँ जी, गाचा जी बोलिए.
मेरे ख्याल में whatever I had to covered by my little children. You know, part of me, he was my mentor. He was everything, my world. You know, I have been for the life now. I can hardly reconcile loss. It's a great loss to me. Person. When I was a boy, he was with me, and when I much, he was sitting with me in every difficulty, in every task. He would just help me out. He would solve my problems. He was such a caring person. He was a jewel to our dynasty. The great person I have ever seen, a man of great strength. Till I am alive, I will not forget this man. He said, we had recently, just 2 or 3 days back, a couple of drinks in the dream. He was wearing a brown shirt, sitting across a table, and me on the other side. Asking me to, Gashi ji, see, wo kahan gaya? Pani wala kahan gaya? No, I will never forget this man. Never. Anyways,
गाचा जी, आपकी आवाज टूट रही है. If you can be closer to the mic.
okay. Anything more to be said now? Has been already covered. If you want, I can sing the bhajan. Nyay?
काशा जी आपकी आवाज टूट रही है. We can't hear you. Thank you, Kasha ji. Anybody here wants to say anything? चलिए, thank you so much. आज यहाँ पे हम conclude करते हैं. It's been thank you for being part of हमसे जुड़ने का हर दिन. I know it was difficult in this environment, but hopefully everybody got to feel part of our sorrow and our mourning. Thank you so much. Aapka joining made it easier on us. Aapka, from the bottom of our hearts, we thank you all. And please keep him in your prayers. हमारी 2 दिन और prayers चलेंगी, 11th day and 12th day. So, but from tomorrow onwards, we look forward. We look to celebrate his life and follow in his footsteps. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.